I was doing a video in front of one of the houses here, and
I drove by.
so he has the vehicle here because you can see Houston's car from everywhere. So if you think lettering doesn't work, yes, it does. What was it you just said to me about as far as going out and talking to folks?
Yeah, basically that's what I need to be doing. I didn't focus on it as much last year. We were getting some systems in place, and I really got caught up in productivity versus effectiveness and efficiency. And this year I'm able to split some of that stuff off, and really what I need to be doing is meeting with people and helping people. If I'm not doing that, most of the day I'm not doing my job and not doing what I should be doing. So this year will be the biggest ever, and the way that's gonna happen is meeting with more people than ever.
How long have you been investing?
Just over 10 years.
Yeah, I first met Houston in 2004.
Yeah, 2004.
Amazing.
January.
Well, one of the things that we talk about over and over as far as what's the alpha and omega of real estate investing is getting face to face with sellers and asking Pete Fortunato's famous question, which is, why are you selling such a nice house like this? Nothing takes the place of that. So be careful. And Houston, pointed out great. He said a great thing, which was, are you being, how'd you say it?
Are you being productive, or are you being efficient or effective? And you can check off a lot of boxes, but at the end of the day, if I did 15 tasks and one of those, the most important one, was meeting with sellers and making offers, really I didn't accomplish much.
Yeah, so make sure that you put all the little stuff, do that at the end of the day, but go out and see sellers. And a good example, I've been doing this for 20 years, and I'm out today knocking on sellers' doors. So this is the alpha and omega. This is what it takes. This is what you have to do. Y'all take care. Have a great day. Get out and knock on some doors. Talk to some sellers. Bye-bye.